Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make pie charts and bar graph in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to make a pie chart with bar graph. At first, select data, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the insert menu. Select the recommended chart option. Now I am go to the all chart. Select the pie option. Now we can see here the pie of pie or the bar of pie. Here the pie chart or the bar chart added on one chart. Now I am select this OK option. Now we can see we make pie chart and bar chart easily. You can change the color of the series, otherwise change and the style. Go to the design menu, click the style option and added another style of pie or the bar chart. Now I am select this. You can rename the title. Click inside the title text box and write title. Now we can see we make pie charts and bar graph easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.